With help from our friends Downstar, we're going to add a splash of colour to the engine bay on this F66 Mini. Let's get on with the install.
Now I'ma break it down real simple. If you go inside, she controlling your mental. Damn the sentence, flip my world upside down. Fresh Prince, I've been praying to her presence ever since. She make me wanna worship, 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 worship. She make me wanna worship, 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 worship. She make me wanna worship, 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 worship. She make me wanna worship, 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 worship. Her body is a temple. Clap, 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 clap.
The Downstar engine bay dress-up kit is now complete, and I think you guys will hopefully agree with me in saying this has transformed the look of this engine bay. Combined with the eagle-eyed amongst you, an armour speed intake kit and also our carbon fibre engine cover, it's actually transformed this engine bay as a whole. It looks fantastic. Okay, you're not always going to see this because you don't drive with no bonnet on, but it does look really smart, and it's a little bit of appreciation when you're cleaning the car, and no doubt when your mechanics get to work on it, they'll look at this and go, yeah, someone's taken some care into this. There's a lot of bolts, fixings and nuts in this kit. There may be a few little adjustments when it comes to the final production kit, because this is actually the first prototype kit that we've put together with Downstar. So there's a few things that might change, but just rolling around, you can see how many bolts and nuts, beauty washers there are. They're even tucked away around the headlights and headlamps and tucked away in here, and you can see they're just everywhere. The more time you spend looking at the engine bay, the more you start picking up on these little fasteners here, which look fantastic. As I said, it gives it a bit more of a high-end feel to the engine bay. These are available both in aluminium and titanium. So this is the aluminium kit with a red anodized finish. The titanium version, there's a few different color options. They're not as solid colors like these, like red, blue or green. You have a bit more pearlescent color flipping options, which is really smart for those who do want to go that extra bit more. I think they're amazing, but one thing that I will make clear to you guys is why these are priced as they are and why we've had to spend the time developing it. Because there's quite a few similar sort of kits that you can just buy off Alibaba or Amazon. But the first thing is the finish won't be as nice. I can guarantee that. These are all made in the USA. They're hand finished and they're extremely high quality. So the red finish isn't going to start turning milky after a few weeks and few months. So it's definitely worth considering what you're buying here is a quality part. It's not just a cheap, as I said, imitation version. But the other key point is we've spent some time with this engine bay and the bolts and the fittings to work out exactly what lengths and sizes they need to be. You can just get generic bolts that might be 12mm, but that's not going to suit a bolt that comes out that's 16mm. They are made to specification, because if you don't have the right lengths, then they're not necessarily going to be holding the parts in properly. And that's really key to remember. Just any old kit off the shelf is not made specifically for this vehicle. And those lengths, as I said, are very important. They're there to do a job. So don't just expect a cheap kit to be able to go straight in and do the same job as what's been done here. So quality, fitment, and as I said, it is a spec'd kit. It's not generic. This isn't off the shelf. This is every nut and bolt has got its own position in the engine bay. So wrapping up, this does fit the Cooper S and it does fit the JCW. We've not tried on some of the other minis as of yet. It might work, or certainly a good chunk of them. Not tried that out yet. So this is at the moment exclusive to the Cooper S and the JCW models, which carry the same engine dress-up kit. So that's it, pretty much wrapping things up from me. Hope you've enjoyed that video. If you are interested in some of the other bits we've done, check out some of the other videos. We've also done an exhaust system on this and intake and engine cover. So there's quite a few things we're now building on these cars, which is really cool. But for the time being, thanks very much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Worship.